Dream big, take risks, and conquer your fears. The only way to achieve the impossible is to believe it's possible. Don't let your past dictate your future. Dream big and create your own destiny. When you believe in your dreams, the universe conspires to help you achieve them. Dream big, but remember to take small steps each day to make them a reality. Your dream is not just a possibility, it's a probability. Dreams are like stars, you may not touch them, but if you follow them they will lead you to your destiny. The biggest adventure you can ever take is to live the life of your dreams. Don't let anyone dim your light or tell you that your dreams are too big. Don't let fear hold you back from pursuing your dreams, use it as fuel to propel you forward. The only thing that can stop you from achieving your dreams is yourself. Dreams don't come true through magic, they come true through determination and hard work.